Today, we're gonna make creamy vegan curry ramen. Trim the base off the shimeji mushrooms and separate them. Cut the king oyster mushroom in half lengthwise, then slice thinly on the diagonal. Heat vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the shimeji and king oyster mushrooms and saute until tender. Add the edamame, 1 gram of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, then stir fry. Microwave 200 milliliters of soy milk, then mix in 160 milliliters of hot water. Place the noodles and included seasoning into a container. Pour in the soup base, cover, and let sit for 3 minutes. Add the included soup powder. Top the ramen with the sautéed mushroom and edamame mixture. Let's eat.